Well, today we are tackling a common viewer question when it comes to smoking. So how does someone finally stop smoking for good, and where do they begin?
Well, join us in this sponsored segment to break down the safest and most effective way is Assistant Professor of Pharmacy Practice at Cedarville University, Dr. Shannon Yaros. Dr. Yaros, good to see you.
Yeah.
Good to see you both. So this one, a lot of common questions with this one. So what over-the-counter products are available to help people quit smoking if they are looking for some?
If someone comes into the pharmacy and is looking for smoking, to stop smoking aids, there is nicotine replacement therapy over the counter. So when I think of that, I think of there's a patch that someone could use. There's also what we call a gum, and then also a lozenge. They're used a little bit differently depending on, you want to make sure that you're looking at the box and the instructions that you're following it correctly, but those are available to patients.
Yeah, so how does one know which product to choose or which product is right for them?
Yeah, so this would be kind of a personal preference. So I tell whoever's coming in looking for the product, how many cigarettes a day do you smoke, thinking about their cravings, and then we go from there. So it really is a personal preference on what they would like to start with.
And along the process, what should someone do if they try to quit smoking but they start smoking again?
And that can happen and is common. So I like to tell everyone, don't give up. Don't be discouraged. You can do it. So you can maybe think about those things that made you kind of go back to smoking. Was there anything that you could think of in your life that maybe we can focus on? And then also thinking about your quit plan again. Thinking about the options that you've used in the past and maybe trying something else.
Yeah, and I know another route is prescription medication. So can you tell us about those?
Yes, so there are prescription medications available. So if you've tried over-the-counter nicotine replacement therapy, and you're still, kind of falling back into that habit of smoking again, talk with your healthcare provider. There are options that they can prescribe to you, depending on what would be most appropriate for you.
Yeah, and if you at home have a health or a medication question, you can submit it to Ask the Pharmacist by going to cedarville.edu/askthepharmacist. Dr. Yaros, thanks so much for being here and sharing this insight.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And Ask the Pharmacist is presented by Cedarville School of Pharmacy.